Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make money with dropship.io in 2025 using a step-by-step strategy. Now, dropship.io helps you find the winning products, analyze your competitors, and launch the store faster. So let's break down exactly how you can use it. So first of all, you need to come here on dropship.io. Over here, you need to sign up for a free trial. If you click on the option of pricing here, you will notice that their basic plan starts with $39 per month. Their standard plan starts with $59 and their premium plan starts with $99 per month respectively. So here you can click on the option of start free trial. Then you just have to provide your login credentials and simply log in into your account. This way you will be able to basically sign up for the 7-day free trial. You will be able to access the dropship.io dashboard. Now on the dashboard, you can use the filters like price, growth rate, and the recent sales to find the products with steady demand. In 2025, the items with the consistent week over week growth usually converts the best. The next thing that you need to do with the dashboard is to open the competitor analyzer. There you need to paste the link of any of the stores that is selling your chosen product, and dropship.io shows their traffic, their price strategy, and ad activity. So this particular thing helps you avoid any kind of saturated items and pick the version of the products with better margins. Now you can go to the sales tracker, and in the sales tracker you can basically add your product and monitor its performance. If the chart shows you the stable buying activity, you need to move it into the store. Once you choose the product, you can use Shopify or the similar store builder and list it with a clear image, fast ship suppliers, and simple descriptions. You can also run ads using the competitor insights that you got from dropship.io, copy what is working and avoid what is failing. So this combo, how most the new dropshippers on their first profit. So this way you will be able to make money from dropship.io in 2025, like finding a winning product first from dropship.io, then study your competitors from dropship.io, tracking the demands and launch it with a clean store setup. If you want a full walkthrough of building of your store on dropship.io in the next tutorial, you can just simply subscribe to the channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.